Hi everybody, I'm gonna unbox It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. I haven't did unboxing for a long time, so let's do it now. Alright. Gonna rip this off.
Did I miss something? What's on the wall?
Bulma,
This
I
one
need you to
doesn't
check the Dragon radar again.
Sure, but why?
When you looked at it when we got here, there were 4 Dragon Balls all gathered together in the same place. Take a look and see where they are right now.
Fine, but I don't see the point. All 4 of them are on the move. There's no way that's a coincidence. Those guys who flew over us must be carrying them.
That's what I thought. Gohan. Gohan. Yeah, what is it? Did you see the one flying second from the front? More important, did you sense him?
Yeah. I did. His power's unbelievable.
I know. The moment I saw him, my heart sank. I think whoever we're dealing with here outranks Vegeta by a long shot. His buddies all look like they could do ugly with the best of them too, but there's no doubt in my mind that was the boss.
Seriously? Vegeta? Someone worse than Vegeta?
A whole lot worse. I think his minions are like Vegeta's fellow officers. They all had on the same stupid-looking uniform. Come on, this is impossible. How are we supposed to get the Dragon Balls away from the crew like that?
Hang on.
Unbox.
According to the radar, they're moving full speed toward another Dragon Ball. I guess that means they've got a radar too.
What's the location?
That way. It looks like it's just a few miles away from here. And that's where we were sensing all that other energy a minute ago. Maybe that's where the Namekians live.
Yeah. I'm gonna go and have a look. You guys stay here.
I'm going too. Hey! You can't just take off. I'll be all by myself in an alien wilderness.
Look, make the most of it. You'll be way safer here than where we're headed.
Fine, but that doesn't mean I like it.
Okay, we'll be back soon.
Don't you dare forget about me.
All right, little man. Go ahead and suppress your power so they don't see us coming, and we'll head out.
This sticker off.
Good.
And away they go. I sure hope they have some kind of plan. Oh wait, I've got to go home and tell everyone what's going on.
Really? So then Gohan and the others made it there okay? Yes. The journey there was smooth sailing the whole way. But as it turns out, they aren't alone. In fact, the place is kind of popular. That last Saiyan you fought Vegeta, he showed up as well. Vegeta? Are you kidding me? Hold on, it gets worse. The whole gang of troops just like him showed up and blasted Tommy's ship. They're stranded.
Awesome.
Bulma tells me there's over a dozen of
It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia.
one stronger than the next. Wait, and they're stuck there? So,
It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. There's all seasons, complete seasons 1 and 2. That's it.
Anyway, the Senzu beans are ready, but there's only a few. 7 to be exact. Gohan told me to give them to you. So here I have being your personal delivery boy.
Great! And your timing couldn't be better. Toss one over so I can eat one. Say, here, you can't just feed my patient whatever he wants.
Heads up.
Look, bullcrap, setting people out. Yeah. Awesome. So anyway, bye bye.